Simple Commission Formula Review. Hey, I am Hamad and I welcome you to my Simple Commission Formula Review. In this review, I'll first give you an overview of what is Simple Commission Formula. Then I'll show you a glimpse of its sales page. Next, I'll take you inside the member area and show you how the app works and how it makes affiliate marketing deadly easy. Then finally, I'll reveal the price and upsells. But first, let's start with a good news. This good news may surprise you. If you buy this product via my link given in the description below, then as a gratitude, I'll give you 10 amazing bonuses that you will find nowhere on the internet. Just have a quick look of what I have for you. Bonus 1. AI Vault. Here you'll get access to more than 100 AI apps under 9 categories. Bonus 2. Build your email list. Your email list is a gem because you own it. Learn advanced strategies to earn 10x. Bonus 3. 24/7 Commission Grabber. Earn commission without selling. Yes, it's possible with CPA. Learn everything about CPA here. Bonus 4. Instagram Marketing Secrets. Bonus 5. Get 10K views in 1 week. All the hidden gems here gurus don't want to share. Bonus 6. Best Traffic Hacks. Bonus 7. Hugo Breakout Course. Learn affiliate marketing from a guru. Video classes reveal how to earn 5 figures in just 1 month. Bonus 8. YouTube SEO in 5 minutes. Bonus 9. 30-day calendar on what to post on social media to dominate. Bonus 10. All vendor bonuses. These are all the bonuses that the vendor gave me to hand over to you. So these are high-quality bonuses, and they're all completely free of charge. All you need to do is to grab it via first link given below in the description. You may ask, but Hamad, how to get these bonuses? So, once you've purchased the product, just go to My Purchases inside Warrior Plus or JVZoo account. You'll see a green button, Access Your Product. Beneath it, there is a blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. Click it and you'll get access to all the bonuses I just mentioned. So, what is Simple Commission Formula and how it works? It's a step-by-step training system designed to help beginners and struggling affiliate marketers generate consistent income online, without paid ads, a huge audience, or complex tech setups. The program is created by David Mills, a 6-figure affiliate marketer, and he shares his proven framework that helped him go from zero to over $480,000 in affiliate commissions. You can read detail by clicking the review post link in the description below. Now, let's take a quick look at the sales page. It says, discover the simple formula I used to go from zero to $450,000 plus with affiliate marketing. Without complicated tech, paid ads, or having to sell anything. Here are some main features. It's a complete video training system based on the help, don't sell model. It's made as simple as possible so you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. You can read through the rest of the sales page in your own time. You'll see examples, testimonials, and other details there. Here's what you'll find inside the program. In Training Video 1, learn how to use YouTube videos to get results fast. Video 2 is about mindset. Video 3 reveals the perfect product finding formula. Next video shows how to create compelling review videos. Then there are other videos. Video 6 shows how to create thumbnails. Video 7 shows how to rank your video on YouTube and get massive traffic. Now, let's talk about the prices and upsells. Simple Commission Formula front-end offer includes everything I just showed you. The price is only about $13, so everybody can afford it easily. David offers 4 upsells that are of high quality. Upsell number 1. The Pro version. It's perfect for people who are camera shy, or facing language barrier, accent conscious, or just plain busy. I recommend it because for $27, it's a no-brainer for anyone who wants to make money online without the stress. Upsell 2. A case study about 2K in 3 days. It's your backstage pass to watching David generate $2,000 in just 72 hours with a single YouTube video. It shows how David spotted a golden opportunity, crafted a viral title, and used his profit predictor method to crush it. It's like having a cheat code for affiliate marketing. Upsell 3. The Traffic Accelerator. Let me tell you from my own experience that traffic is the biggest hurdle for affiliate marketers. This 7-part framework teaches you how to dominate platforms like Pinterest, create viral short-form content, and use advanced tracking to 5x or 10x your results. I highly recommend this upsell. At just $37, you'll turn small wins into massive paydays. Upsell 4. Reseller Rights. $67. With this upsell, you can sell it as your own product, keeping 100% of the commissions. So, don't be like 99% affiliate marketers who struggle with shiny object syndrome, waste time chasing trends, or spending money on ads and end up frustrated and broke. Simple Commission Formula is a proven system that helps you break free from all that. A system that doesn't require paid ads, a huge audience, or tech expertise. It's your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to crack the affiliate marketing game and start earning real income, even if you're starting from zero. But there's one important thing you should consider. Simple Commission Formula is priced at $12.95 only during the launch week. After that, the price goes up to $47. That's a massive discount, and this is your chance to get in at the lowest price possible. Don't wait. The clock is ticking. And remember that when you purchase it through my link below in the description, you'll also get 10 exclusive bonuses designed to supercharge your results. This price won't last forever, so don't miss out. Get Simple Commission Formula now. Thank you for your time. I can't wait to see you succeed and start living the life you deserve.